This session is themed as India's Power Transmission and Distribution Viability, Reforms, Obstacles and Road Ahead. In this regard, I would request Satyaban Sahu sir to come here on the dais and express his viewpoints on this particular topic.
Good afternoon, everyone. You can see presently in the distribution sector and transmission sector, basically, the main issue is how to arrest the T&D losses, how to reduce it. Because once the T&D losses is reduced and it is arrested, the health of DISCOM will get turned around. Because if you can reduce T&D losses by 1%, it will convert around 3,000 crore, 4,000 crore revenue. So in order to reduce the aggregate technical and commercial losses, there is a requirement of adoption of new technologies, just like smart metering. In case of smart metering, earlier, just conventional metering, there was an issue that you may not be able to generate the bills wherever. Further, whenever there is an issue, particularly suppose you consider in the Naxal belt, you will not be able to deliver the bills. Resultant, you cannot collect the monies also. Resulting, it is a commercial loss to the organization. But adopting new technologies just like smart metering and that converting to the smart meter into prepaid mode, utilities will be in a position to collect the amount beforehand, just like mobile prepaid charging. So the revenue loss can be arrested. Further, going ahead, in order to reduce the technical losses, there is a requirement to be more innovative. Your Wyndham structures, Wyndham preparedness needs to be strengthened as well as updated. Your manpower is your strength, but capacity building of that manpower, we are lagging on that front. So, these are the factors where you can improve. There is a requirement to build the capacity of the existing manpower as well as to opt new technology. And you have to give assurance to your existing manpower that by adopting new technology, this will not reduce their scope. You have to take them in confidence. In the intervention, there was an issue that should we adopt AI or not? AI will reduce opportunities for others. Particularly, it will reduce the employment. This was a apprehension. Because AI will not run you. You have to run the AI. So, adopting AI and data analytics, particularly in the distribution sector, there is a requirement of data analytics. From the smart meter, you will get so many data. But after analysis only, you can reduce the losses by adopting what you can do. From the data analysis, you can derive that particular consumers, their consumption pattern. Accordingly, DISCOM can plan their purchase also. How you can plan your purchases, power purchase to meet up the requirement. After analysis of data, even you can plan, because if you can see, if you can push for use of electricity If you can give incentive to the consumer that in case in the daytime you are using the electricity, then this will be the incentive. You can shift the peak load, because in the morning and evening our load is maximum. If you can segregate that load and we can opt daytime tariff, this will facilitate the consumer as well as the DISCOMs. DISCOM can plan accordingly and they can buy cheap power also accordingly. So involvement of technology will always be beneficial, will always be helpful to arrest AT&C losses as well as improve your commercials. This will result that DISCOM will be in a better financial condition, which in turn will make the payments to the transmission sectors. Because at the end of the day, distribution sector needs to be improved. Once distribution sector is improved, they will make the payment to the transmission sector. In turn, they will make the payment of the generation sectors. So your power sector condition will improve. So there is a requirement that we should concentrate to improve the distribution sector. And at the center of that, DISCOM's financial condition needs to be improved. That can be done with the help of intervention of technologies and adoption of the technology with broad mind. For that, you need to ensure your manpower is trained, and you have to remove the fear factor with the existing manpower, that technology will not kill their jobs. Rather, technology will help to them perform efficiently. Thank you.